CT Sound Tropo XL12s, and I use my old box because I ordered a box design from CT Sound, and ironically they recommended 34, 17, 15, and this box is 32, 15, 20. And the port for their design was 3 by 1/8, and this one is 3 inches by 1.5 or something like that. Well, width, I didn't look at the height, but I'm sure the height is about the same thing, and the depth, I didn't go in. So that's just for now. And I will be making me another custom box because I don't want to use this one. It's too hard to get out of my trunk. And it's too hard to get out of my trunk. So I will be making another box that's around the same size. Well, not the same size, but like the height. The height is probably gonna be like 14. The depth, maybe 19. And the width, I will keep it like that because I don't think I can get any bigger than that. Or I might keep it at 20 and just put both speakers on one side and put the port on the left side instead of in the middle. I like that look much better. But with all that done, I'm about to change my brakes and my rotor. All right, stay tuned. So I'm gonna just time lapse it because I'm sure y'all have seen a whole bunch of videos on how to do this. So, boom. Brake cleaner, that's to clean off the rotor. Thread lock. And NTC's lubricant. And I'll be using the Duralast Gold. And of course, right here, I do everything with my little tool. And boom, to get the tire off. And here goes my rotor right over here. Look at all that glue. Well, it's not glue. That's just to protect it from rusting up while it's in the package. And if you want to know how to change, if you want to know if when you have to change your rotors, it will either squeak or it'll just be rough. All you have to do is touch it, like right here. Oh, damn. All you have to do is touch it. And if it's smooth, then you don't have to change it. But if it's like this side, right here, you can see the patterns on there. It's not smooth and it's rough. But if you just touch it right here and it's rough, then boom, this has to be changed. And good news for me. Good news for me, the right front is the only one that needs to be changed. And I don't know if you can see it right here, but over here as well, it's smooth. The right side here and the left side here as well. Feeling the sunshine once again. Boom. This don't look too good.
The sun lays so brightly up in the summer sky. I shouted at the mountains, why watch me shine and fly.
So I took the liberty of wiping down the caliper. Well, I don't know what you call that. Probably the piston. So that make sure no gunk or anything gets caught up in there, especially with that little tear right there. I will tend to this some other time. I don't know how much this costs. I didn't really look it up, but if the price is fair, I'll get it sometime very soon. Because, you know, you can never be too safe and you don't want nothing to happen with your brakes. If an accident were to happen and I press my brakes and it don't work, then, well, you don't want that to happen. So I'm going to make sure to fix that ASAP.
Feeling the sunshine once again.
And there we go. There we go. It's compressed. Now time to put it. So from the looks of it, looks like I got these two disc clamp right here and this clamp right here holding it. So I'm gonna take those off and also take out my wheel bearing, I believe the name is that, or center or something, so that I can retain it and, you know, so my wheel don't shake. Boom. It is finally out. Here they are right here. Two little tabs that's holding in the the rotor. Right? And as soon as you take them out, it comes right off. Simple. Right over here. See, the back wasn't bad. The back was good. It's the front. The front was rough. All right, here we go. Got it sprayed up. Now let me just throw this right on. All right, so fortunately. So this is all that was needed to replace my rotors and change my brakes. Brake cleaner, thread lock, NTC's lubricant, 15 mil, 14. This right here is for my rims, of course, flathead, and my shank, which is my steak knife, and bam, compressed tube.